I've loved every moment.
Yeah, so did we.
I know, that's what I said. Sorry about this.
Which is funny. Yeah, first year.
Here we go, guys. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. Go to the next side. There we go, that's outside.
But starting in '98, they went to a different front bumper. And elbows are gone. But it's just kind of a... Tiny.
There you go. Go check out the engines on the other side.
Dashboard.
Yeah, I would not want this car either.
Oh, sorry about this long walk right now. It's probably gonna be my first video on YouTube. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy it.
Everybody was like coming over there like...
Oh, look at that.
I'm sure they think not many cars have been sitting in there.
Ladies and gentlemen, time has come to name the winners of our People's Choice Awards for the Cavaliers in Coeur d'Alene 2014. Event sponsored by the Ferrari Club of America. It's Northwest chapter. I can have your attention, I'll read the winners. And what I'll have you do is, if you are the winner, would you please come up to the front where we will present you with the trophy.
So yeah, thank you guys. Bye.